अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम असरफ बानी ख़ान है और आज हम बात करेंगे मैनेजमेंट मार्केटिंग एंड मीडिया में चेंज मैनेजमेंट के हवाले से चेंज मैनेजमेंट लेक्चर 2। और जब हम बात करते हैं चेंज मैनेजमेंट की, दैट मीन्स कि ओल्ड वे शुड बी चेंज्ड with a new way of working, and steps for change management process may be may start from logging and filtering change, then managing change, then that change should be approved by the top management. It should be reviewed and close the request, and then change reporting that what has been done and how it is going to work. In terms of technology advancement, as we know that evolving customer needs and new competition all influence business dynamics across industries. With change being constant, having a change management strategy is imperative. On the change journey, employees need external motivation, support, assistance to overcome their barriers of change and drive the overall change successfully. This external assistance may come from change leadership inside an organization, third-party consultants, or change agents, and that means anyone other than the individual himself. In business process involvement or continuous improvement process, it is the practice of optimizing existing business processes to meet the current industry standards and improve customer experience. The ultimate goal is customer satisfaction, and all the change need to be considered in a reverse order, that means from customer to the company. It aims at identifying, analyzing, and improving workflows. Processes can either be modified or complemented with sub-processes or even eliminated for the ultimate goal of improvement. That means minimizing error, reducing waste, improving productivity, and streamlining efficiency. Business process improvement focuses on increased customer value through improving quality. And when we say customer value, that means the presentation of the product or the function of the product need to be increased, enhanced, modified, changed, and so on. For example, in terms of car, the airbag adds value to the customer because in terms of accident, he or she can be protected. Enhancing services, reducing cost, increasing productivity, and so on. It provides end-to-end process understanding, visibility, and control by ensuring effective change communication across an organization. That means once again that whatever decision has been taken, that should be communicated effectively throughout the organization to the entire workforce so that they can own the change and feel enthusiastic in making the change. That needs process documentation and improvement. Each document can be improved. Performance management and organizational change management. With technological change to ensure the success and sustainability of process improvements while enabling the process of excellent culture. Business process improvement methodologies and techniques. One we can say agile technique, That means plan, design, develop, test, deploy, review, and launch. This is the process that need to be implemented or followed for any kind of new change, so that ultimately the function can be perfected. In lean principle, the value need to be defined, map the value stream, how it should be done, the process, then create the flow of the operation, then establish the pull, and then pursue the perfection. In Six Sigma, it is define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. In total quality management, the customer is the focus. The personnel should be involved. The process approach should be followed. The system approach should be followed, and then permanent improvement should be done. When we say just in time, that means all functions should be done timely and according to the requirement of the organization. In theory of constraint, identify the constraint, what are the constraints, then exploit the constraint, subordinate and synchronize the constraint, elevate the performance of the constraint, and repeat the process. The Deming cycle says plan, do, check, and then act. This is a Deming cycle. In Kaizen principle, we say that there should be a standardized work and the problems should be visible. Then develop countermeasure, that what should be done if the present process is not followed, then what should be done. Determine the root cause of the problem. Hypothesize solution. Test the hypothesis. Then implement the solution. And that again, work should be standardized. In Kanban or Kanban, there should be visualization. What should be done? Visualize it. Limit work in progress. Then manage workflow. Explicit policies should be there. Feedback loops should be available. And there should be chances or a strategy for improvement and evolvement. And that's all. I will be dealing individual these functions separately, like Six Sigma and so on, and all those change theories will be discussed in individual presentation. So keep yourself alert and engaged, and see my next video. Thank you.